Hello there, mathletes. Welcome back to Math Jamboree. In this video, we have another AP Precalculus type of a question from the topic of rational function and vertical asymptote. Let's solve it together. In the xy plane, the graph of a rational function f has a vertical asymptote at x equals 1. Which of the following could be an expression for f of x? So, when we are solving this type of questions, if you're talking about a rational function, it's about a over b, which is numerator and denominator, and the vertical asymptotes are all about the denominator. In the denominator section, we must have an expression. When you make it equal to 0 and solve for x, that's going to give you 1, which is x minus 1, right? Because x minus 1, when you make it equal to 0, and when you solve it for x equals 1. So, and we're looking at the choices. Choice A doesn't have any x minus 1 in the denominator. You can go ahead and eliminate choice A. Choice B, we don't have x minus 1 in it in the denominator section. In the choice C, we have x minus 1 in the denominator, and x minus 4 cancels each other out. The final version of the rational function becomes x plus 1 over x minus 1. Then the correct answer is choice C. And the choice D, we don't have x minus 1 in the denominator. So we can go ahead and eliminate the choice D as well. So the correct answer is choice C for this specific question. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have questions or comments, you can always leave it below there. Thank you. See you next time. Bye-bye.